What is up? What is up? I know. Well, actually, that's the one that's over here, rendering, okay? So I wanted to do this little video for y'all, just real quick. I just want to holler at y'all real quick, because I'm actually about to finish up here for the day, okay? Because I've been at this pretty much all day, so I started early today, not my usual 3, 4 o'clock, okay? Sometimes 5 o'clock. Sometimes I don't even start until 7. Because sometimes I just, want to chill during the day, take some time for myself and do whatever I want to do. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy my life. That's what we here for, right? We here to enjoy life. You can't enjoy life if you breaking your neck and working every day, all day. You got to take time to smell the flowers. Smell the air. Well, don't smell too much of it, because we all know what's in the air. At least those of you that are conscious and aware up on the news, But anyway, enough of that. We don't want to talk about depressing stuff. It's the end of the day. It's time to... Yeah. Now, if my videos are ever too long, I'm not going to say I apologize. What I'm going to say is, if my videos are ever too long, sorry. You see, I figure like this, because I watch YouTube myself. I use YouTube myself. And I can't stand when I'm trying to follow along with a tutorial and the person is just talking so fast, and they just, with the mouse and zip, you don't know where they click. Wait a minute, what did they do? How did he get over there? What did he click? Oh my God, I'm lost. What'd he do? You know that feeling. I know many of y'all know that feeling, man, when you stuck and you really don't have no one around to help you, to guide you, take you by the hand, and you looking on YouTube to get a tutorial of someone to walk you through this process. A video you can follow along with. You know how it is. Sometimes you might have your phone in your hand, your tablet in your hand, you watching the video, you on the computer, go left, all right, click over here, yup, exit out of that, yup, okay, now go over here, and then all of a sudden, they just zoom somewhere, and you like, wait, hold up, go back. You know what I'm saying? So that's one of the reasons why I make my videos detailed, okay? So if it's anybody out there that maybe at one point in time you've said my videos are too long, then you know what? I make them like that because I want them to be as detailed as possible, because a lot of people who signed up with me, through me, with this business, with one of the businesses, which is DLI, are newbies, and you don't know. I was a newbie at one time, and I didn't know nothing. I didn't even know how to copy and paste. I had to call my sister and ask my sister, you know what I'm saying? Like, how you copy and paste something? So, if you're a newbie and you really have no knowledge of you're not good with a computer, using a computer and all of the different buttons on the keyboard, you don't be online like that. And if you are online, you really online just for stuff like, I don't know, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, news, current events. Then, you want to be taken by the hand. You need somebody to guide you. So that's why I try to make my videos as precise and to the point as possible. So if it's anybody out there that ever is saying, what I just said, videos are too long, I had somebody hit me up one time and say that, and I just feel like I want to drop this while I'm waiting for this one over here to finish rendering. I figured, let me do a little video real quick and address this matter, whatever, comment. I do that, like I said, I'm going to say it again. For the people that do not know, for the people that literally are starting from the door, from the beginning, you have not even got your shoelaces wet. That's who I do it for. For the rest of you, if you already know it, then skip through it. You don't have to sit there and watch the whole thing, but you know, everything is not about you. Okay, there are some people out here that are really oblivious to the inner details of working online. There are a lot of people out there who are illiterate when it comes to, well, not illiterate. That means then to not be able to read, but there are some people out there who are illiterate to computers. They don't know nothing about how to work on the computer. Like I said, I didn't even know how to copy and paste. So, you know, I just wanted to say that. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to figure out, make that little video, make this little video and just put that out there. You know, I want to be on point. I want to be as clear as possible. I want to help as many of you as I can. That is the goal here, the process for success. And the process for success sometimes starts with those little things. Learning how to copy and paste. Learning what the tab button does. Okay? Just simple things. You know what I'm saying? Where can I go to, how to put up an ad? What I do? How do I put up an ad? How do I create an ad? Where do I go to put up an ad? How to do an ad? You know, Craigslist, Backpage, whatever. Well, Backpage is gone, but you know what I'm saying. So, yeah. For those of you that don't like the long videos, sorry. Don't watch it. Fast forward. Your hands ain't glued to the computer. Your eyes ain't glued to the screen. Fast forward it. Look away. Don't watch it. I don't know what to tell you. But that's what I do. Okay? I'm trying to be somewhat of a teacher. And if I'm a sponsor, this is how I train my people through this channel. And what I'm getting ready to start doing is hooking up Skype things. Skype or maybe Facebook, Facecam. I don't know how I'm going to work it out. I'm looking into it so that this way I can do the training with my people that need more help. I can do it like that. Okay? So, you know, I just wanted to say that. And that's it. And I hope y'all have had a good day, a successful day, a prosperous day, and I hope you have an even better day tomorrow. So with that being said, I'm going to say peace out, good night. Oh, I grabbed the wrong mouse.